Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. How did the spirit of Huzur Rahmatullahi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam could save the Sahabi Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu? So inshallah in this video we are going to learn and read a great Sahabi Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, what happened and how great our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, even in the spirit of Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, there is a great medicine, there is a great cure in the world. Any medicine cannot do such a thing. That is, we tell that this is the Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam mujiza. And also the Sahaba Kram, the companion of Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, if they are in any problem, so first of all they go to near the Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, and near the Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam the solution of every problem. So in this story there is a one lesson that we also, if we have any kind of problem, healthy problem and wealthy problem or emotionally relation problem, so first of all we should go near our beloved Huzur Rahmatul Alameen sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. How? We should read either Durood Sharif, and we should call Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, Irhamna Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, Isma'ana. So definitely our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam listens and help us. Let's begin. Let's start a very nice and great story. So there is a one Sahabi name is Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was going from the jungle. Suddenly Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu put his leg on the egg of snake. So that egg was broken, and that poison of that snake, sadak, what happened, it entered in the body of Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu's father, when saw that his son is in the problem and that poison enter in the body, and that poison spoil eyes of Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Now Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu cannot see anything. Seeing this, Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu's fathers carried him near Huzur Rahmatul Alameen sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, and Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu anhu's father explained all things what happened. See, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he is my son. He was going from the jungle, and suddenly his leg fell down upon the egg of snake, and it was broken, and that poison entered in his body, and that poison spoiled the eyes of my son. Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam took out spit of Huzur sallallahu alayhi wasallam, put in the eyes of Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So what happened? So suddenly now, because of that spit of Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, now Hazrat Habib bin Fudayk radiyallahu ta'ala anhu eyes returned, and now he is able to see everything. This is the power, this is the mujiza of our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. So how was that speed of Huzur sallallahu alayhi wasallam? So those who are ravi, those who are narrator is telling that Hazrat Habib bin Fudayq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu reach 80 years. Hazrat Habib bin Fudayq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu reach 80 years, and the eyes of Hazrat Habib bin Fudayq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu turn into white. Hazrat Habib bin Fudayq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu eyes turn into white, but because of that speed of Huzur sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Hazrat Habib bin Fudayq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu can enter the thread in the needle easily. That much of eyesight, that much of light he got. So all these things Hazrat Habib bin Fudayq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu got from the speed of Huzur sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. This is the greatness of our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Thank you for watching the videos, and please, if you want to tell, if you want to comment, if you want to say anything, please comment and tell, and please remember me in your dua.